Okay, for 983 it's multiple choice, and they want us to factor this and then tell which one of those is a factor. So we have 6x squared plus 7x minus 20. Right, so if we're going to use columns, we have 6x squared, which is x and 6x, and 2x and 3x. And then we have negative 20, right, which is a bigger combination. We have negative 1, 20, 1, negative 20, negative 2, 10, 2, negative 10, negative 4, 5, and 4, negative 5. And then we have to swap the columns, right? So I'll swap the first column, 6x and x and 3x and 2x. Now we're looking for outers plus inners that give us this middle term, 7x. So quickly, maybe not quickly, but we can see that it's this group, right? Because 3x times 5 is 15x, and 2x times negative 4 is negative 8x, and that gives us the middle term of 7x, right? So that means that this factors to 3x and 2x, and then negative 4 and positive 5. So given this one here matches A. Let's just double check, make sure none of the others match, which they don't, so the answer is A.